Hello everyone, this is Dr. Paz and I've received a few emails regarding our Chapter 7 Excel. So the key to any of the Excel assignments are right here. So these tips will become very helpful for you because it tells you that you need to do cell references. You're going to use the sum, the if, the and the days function. So when you click open in new tab, it should take you to your Excel. And then when you click on any one of these, then it will give you the formula that you need. So hopefully after you've done this for 3 days, so here you see the formula is if, and then it gives you E9 is greater than 30, E9 is less than 61, otherwise you enter 0. And if you click over here as well, let me just click another formula here, for example, it'll tell you if E9 is less than or equal to 30, otherwise B9. So then once you click on each of these cells, then hopefully the formula pops up for you. And after you do it the first time, for example, you get 3 shots each, then it should give you the correct answer. So for example, here, when you click on these formulas, let's see if I can show this note. Then you see the formula equals your days, D8, C8. So basically you're just using that as a formula in here for each of these cells. And then and then basically you should be able to see all of these. And here you just have the sum function. So I hope this is helpful. And for those of you that emailed me, I will go ahead into your submission and help you get these answers. Thanks.